Okay, so I have a 4 ECM module with me, and they are 2.3 or 2.5 on the power board. They're basically same. So there's a very thin wire connected over here. That is basically for the whole motor power current, which is interesting because that wire is really thin, and in this case we found that this thin wire is often burned, like this one. It's burned. And this one is from 2.5 half horsepower carrier, and it's burned here, that thin wire. And this is another module. Yeah. They all burned. So I'm thinking if I solder them together, yeah. And these two wires is connected to the board below. And yeah, over here you should get the 330 volts. And here, when you get nothing, you get 0 volts. That means that wire is burned. So after I saw the wire connected to the motor and give it a test, and when I connected, boom, smoke. Smoke coming from the motor. Here I test the second module, and this time I use another plug with a bulb connected in series, so it can protect the circuit when there's a short. So the light is full bright. That means this module is short. So I test the module without motor body. Turn on, light is on. It's short, no good. Plug into another module. This is a good module, good working one. So I turn it on. Now you see this module is not short. So another test. I cut the wire from the control board and then turn it on. Shows good. So that means the power board is good, but the control board below it is not. Now we put the fixed power board to a good working module. That control module is good, and then we can test our repair. Looks good. It's spinning. And let's see the board we just burned. we still get 330 volts on the burnt board. That means this board is still good, but the short part is actually over here, the board below it. That's all the control part in it. Okay, thanks for watching.